Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Now we're on to the next principle, which is the law of rhythm. And this law is mutable, which means it is able to be changed. And I spoke about in the last law, the law of polarity, that in order to bypass some of the laws that are coinciding with polarity, we can use the law of rhythm. And I have some examples that I've done to bypass some of the polarity to life. So let's get into some of the famous quotes from the law of rhythm. The ones that I know on the top of my head will be that everything ebbs and flows, meaning that there's a rhythm of energy contracting and expanding, going inwards and outwards, just like a wave. If you go to the beach, you'll see a wave going into the shore, going out. So let's find this one. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and fall. The pendulum swing manifests in everything. The measure of the swing to the right is the measure to the swing to the left. Rhythm compensates. Now today's a lucky day because I actually have my Newton's Cradle and we can see how the energy rises. As you can see, let's do it again. The equal amount of energy that goes in must be replicated on the other side. This is something that we know is correct by physics, real science. For people who think this is all woo-woo, this is how energy works. This is how you work. This is how your mind works. Now, how does this apply to your life? It's all good seeing a Newton's Cradle, seeing a pendulum swing, but how does this apply to your life? Now, I'll give you an example. One day, I was actually making videos and my battery broke, the wire broke for my charger. And the problem I have is that my laptop only works currently with the battery on charge. I still need to fix it. Anyway, I had to get these videos out and I was gonna order online because I can't find it at any local shop. So this was gonna take about 2 to 3 days. Now, a part of me wanted to just give up. And I was like, you know, what am I gonna do? I need to get these videos out. All my money is made online, you know, so I have to carry on making these videos. So what am I gonna do? So I headed to the shopping mall looking for a battery. And when I got to the shopping mall, there was someone there with a donation box saying, can I donate some money? Now, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do so, but I need to quickly go do what I need to do. I went into the IT shop. Now, as soon as I go into the IT shop, no joy, they didn't have the bright one. They had a universal charger, but it didn't work. Now, as soon as I've left there, I've now gone to another store, but it's in a different shopping mall. And the lady was like, hey, you're gonna donate? I donated. Now, the power in this donation is understanding that there's, on the tree of life, we have something called chesed. And this is where you give from the heart. And when you give from the heart, you now allow this pendulum swing to go back in your direction. If I stayed at home and I felt sad, well, that swing would still be on the right side, and it would have to take a lot of bridges of incidences to receive a newer blessing. So I've gone there now, I've donated, I've gone to another shopping mall, and I've gone to my local technician who fixes things. I find joy. He has a universal charger that works for me, which is around $33. But out of the kindness of his heart, he said, I don't need to pay. There's a shop at the end of the shopping mall that fixes broken chargers, and I had my charger with me. Now, I've gone there, they fixed my charger in half an hour, and it cost me around $5. I was overly joyed. And I feel that I allowed the pendulum swing to come back in my way. Because if I dwelled at home and felt sorry for myself, I could have lost 3 days, lost a lot more money, because the charger originally is way more expensive than $33. It's more like $80. So I allowed this pendulum swing to go in my way. And I feel that by doing something out of the kindness of my heart, which was donating, this allowed a kinder deed to come my way. And this is how energy kind of works. So when I say the law of rhythm is mutable, this is what I mean. You can do things and take action to not allow that negative energy on that other side of that pendulum control you. You need to think on your feet. You need to think fast. You need to be sharp. You need to fail. If you're going to fail, you fail fast. When you take an L, you let that L, you don't dwell on that L. You have to move quickly. I made the mistake of feeling sorry for myself, feeling like the world's against me. But I know that in order to get those W's, you need to quickly get past those L's. So this is how you can use the law of rhythm to your advantage. And celebrities who know energy, or higher people that know energy, also use the law of rhythm to manipulate situations in their favor, where they can stage events where they receive energy of shame, humiliation, and things of this nature to rise above a bigger plane. Because when you're making too many W's, people are expecting that L to come, and it can come. So what people do is they stage an L. They stage an L, so a real L or a more powerful L does not happen to them. You can even think about this in a relationship with women. When you're in a relationship and everything's going well, the women will be like, oh, it's too good to be true. So they create unnecessary drama to keep that spark alive of the energy of the relationship. You get where I'm going here? So unconsciously, we use the law of rhythm anyway. Now, imagine the powers you can do. Imagine the powers you can have when you actually apply this law to your life, to your business, to your situations. And this is why the law of rhythm is mutable. This is why the law of rhythm is powerful. And this is why we should not sleep on the law of rhythm, especially if you're applying it to the law of polarity. Because we live in a reality where we're going to be polarized with everything that's out today, media, all this kind of stuff I already spoke about. We need to transmute that energy. We need to use the law of rhythm in our favor. Okay? And yeah, I could get into law of rhythm with nature and things of that, because like I said, you see it in waves, you see it in everything. And yeah, sometimes we're feeling good, overly extremely powerful and godly. Next minute we're feeling depressed, we're in a fetal position feeling sorry for ourselves. This is because we've, again, gone too extreme on that pole. We need to find that heavy sink balance of duality. Once we find that heavy sink balance of duality, through the meditations, through the gamma rays right now, I'm very tired right now. And right now, I'm going through it. I can't even lie, I'm going through it. But I'm using all these tools to allow me to continue to make videos. This frequency of gamma rays is allowing me to concentrate, allowing me to make my videos and continue to work and edit and get through it. And these are the tactics we can use to really get our minds hemisync and laser focused, because we do not want to be too polarized, swinging from left to right, left to right. There's so many external factors to turn us left to right. So we need to close in on that by not overcompensating. Before I came and made this video, I stayed in a dark room. Silence. No external energies that's going to make me feel pumped up. No, you get me? So this is how I manipulate energy. When you read this book, you're going to be a true alchemist. You're going to understand energy. Nikola Tesla, all is energy, frequency, and vibration. Once you understand and overstand this, you can manipulate your reality. I'm telling you this as an alchemist. Okay? So that's all I gotta say for this one. I try to keep it short, precise, and sweet. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff. Comment, let me know what you think. Alright, peace, we move.